when you're ready, allow yourself to begin by turning your attention inwards. You can do that by closing your eyes if that feels comfortable for you, and beginning to take a couple of deeper breaths. The purpose of this guided practice is to quieten and calm your mind. The best way to calm the mind is not by trying to think our way out of overthinking. It's to intentionally practice placing our attention somewhere different. And for the purpose of this practice, we're going to place your attention more deeply in your body. And so as you take a couple of deeper breaths, I'd like you to feel yourself on each out-breath relaxing a little more, feeling your sense of coming more into your breath, into your body, and into this moment. Noticing in particular the felt quality of your in-breath and your out-breath. And on each out-breath, as you feel the air leaving your lungs, feel a sense of landing even more fully in the moment. Relaxing, surrendering, and letting go. Noticing whereabouts in your body do you feel the most relaxed right now? Taking your mind to that location now. Noticing what's the felt sense of that feeling of relaxing and letting go. See if you can allow that feeling to spread through your body now. And as you feel that feeling of relaxing and letting go spread, notice how your mind is a little quieter now. How your mind is a little calmer. Not because we're trying to change what's happening in your mind, but because we're intentionally practicing coming into your body, relaxing and surrendering to this moment. And as you feel that feeling of relaxing and letting go, spread through your body even more now. I'd like you to begin to become aware of a growing feeling of ease, a feeling of comfort, a feeling of deep acceptance of this moment. Not because everything about this moment is perfectly comfortable. There may be distractions, there may be pockets of discomfort, but because this moment is what is happening now. And all that we can do is learn to relax and surrender to it. And as you feel that growing feeling of relaxing and surrendering, notice how good that feels. You may also become aware now of an inner feeling of support, of holding. It's almost like the more that you relax into, the more that you land in this moment, the more you feel held, the more you feel supported by your body, by your breath, by just being here. And so there's a sense of ease, a sense of support, and a deep sense of relaxation, a deep sense of letting go. And as your body continues to relax even more now, noticing again ease and the quietness that's growing in your mind. A sense that as you become more and more deeply relaxed in your body, the quieter and the calmer your mind becomes. And you can continue this practice for as long as feels helpful, staying with your breath, staying with your body, and quietening and calming your mind, taking all the time that you wish. And then, in your own time, when you're ready, allow yourself to open your eyes, come back to the room, and meeting the rest of this day from a deeply quieter and calmer place.